I'm back out here today. It's been a couple of days since I got skunked, and I'm just coming back out here because I ain't appreciate getting skunked the other day. So I'm gonna try it again in a different little hole on the same lake. Hey, so like I said, I'm gonna keep at it. Simply because this is what I love doing. I still got worms. So I'm gonna try a little bluegilling. Even though this is day 2, I showed up late again. It's almost 4 in the afternoon. Still not getting no bites. I probably need to try hitting this lake early in the morning. I think that's when I always had my best luck here. But yeah, still no luck. After getting skunked yesterday, I am on the verge of getting skunked again today. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong here. Just not getting the bites I would like. But you know, still enjoying being out here and having a good time fishing, being on the lake. Remember the other day when I laughed about people being hung up in the tree? Yep, I'm hung up in the tree. All right, so as you can see, the rain is coming down now. It's day 2, and I think we're gonna wrap it up. Still haven't caught nothing. Been getting skunked all doggone weekend, so we're gonna call it a day and getting out of this rain. I'm wrapping up day 2 now. It's been a no luck situation for me up till now. But hey, like I say, it bees that way sometime. And now the rain is coming down and it's thundering, as you can hear. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. But like I said before, you know, every time Bill Dance goes out, you know, he gets a big bass with every cast, and it's not always the situation. But it's still been good getting out. This is my first time being out this year, and you know, just gotta roll with the punches. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the little notification bell if you want to make sure you get a buzzer every time I upload a new video. And magically the rain just stops. But next time I get out, I might be going to a different lake, so stay tuned. There will be more. There will be a lot more fishing, and I promise you I'm going to catch a fish at some point. So stay tuned. Till next time. Peace. As she called. Hey, you ready for me to pick you up? All right, here I come. All right. Peace.